Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, located in Chittaranjan in the Asansol Sadar subdivision in Burdwan district in the Indian state of West Bengal, has been named after the great freedom fighter Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. It is formerly known as Local Building Works. In 1950, the industry started its production of steam locomotives. The first locomotive that rolled out of Chittaranjan Locomotive Works was named as Deshbandhu, right after the great freedom fighter Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. In the financial year 2024 to 2025, CLW surpassed the total number of locomotive production units to 700.